Good morning, everyone. Right now it is 4:37 a.m. So, yes, tired. But our flight leaves from New Jersey at 7:30. First time flying during COVID. Definitely nervous, so we'll see what's up. So, it wasn't that bad. Newark Airport, they always get on my nerves though.
It was definitely annoying with that little lotion.
I know they took my little lotion and we couldn't bring our waters, but at JFK, I swear they let you take anything. I'm not gonna say anything, but they ain't that strict. We are here, ready to go.
Yeah. Get the gate number, 17.
Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you and welcome back. And if you are new, this is your very first time here, let me know in the comments below how you found me. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, wig reviews, black love, and some travel vlogs. So yes, today I am doing a video on our trip to Arizona. It was my husband's 30th birthday, so with the country and everything in the world being shut down due to COVID, we decided to go to Arizona. So we went on this trip with his brother and sister and a few of our friends. We decided to get an Airbnb. Our original plan was to stay in the Sedona area because we wanted to be near the monuments, but plans changed and we decided to stay in Phoenix. So we were on our way to pick up our rental. There is a shuttle service from the airport that takes you to the rent car places, and the lines are always long, so you know, just keep that in mind if you're on a schedule or whatever you have going on after you get out the airport. Also, I would not recommend doing Uber down there. You guys, you need a car, trust me. Whoop, whoop, whoop. That's nice.
Yes, sir. Look at that thing. Look good.
So we got there around 11. Check-in wasn't until 4 p.m. so we had decided to go to the spa. The Airbnb. This is what it looks like. Which one y'all picking? Okay.
You taking the one down here?
Yeah, that was still we'll take this one.
Is that nice?
Ours is like, let me show y'all my crib real quick, man. I just bought this off the market.
MTV
You look
Cribs.
right here. We got the master suite. Got some some dressers there, some drawers, and a nice mirror. You know, I got it from IKEA, don't say nothing. Got a little lamp there for the read. Now this is the master bath. You can make a whole late night Showtime movie in here.
Yeah.
Look at that. Toilets in the cut. Nice privacy. Now here, we got the shower. Look at that.
Yeah.
Living life right there. Got the tub, little jacuzzi area. Tub. Got a beautiful sink, 2 sinks. You got the walk-in closet.
This is nice.
Check that out. It's beautiful, right? But check out this deck out here. Check out the deck.
Your house, you don't know how to work nothing.
I just got it yesterday.
Oh, you got all this furniture? That's nice.
Come out here. You got the balcony. Yeah, you got the nice vibes out here. Wow, look at this. It's beautiful. Come check out these vibes, dude. Look at that. Got a little basketball hoop in there. I mean,
Oh, that's cute.
definitely gonna get dunked on, but that's a nice story. You got a little table over there. You know, we got
This is definitely cute.
a view of the desert right there. Probably a little quick. Watch the step. All right, cool.
There's an extra.
You got these 2 twin beds for tonight in a row right there.
They ain't sleeping there.
No, I'm just playing. They got a nice little bathroom too.
Okay, this is cute.
This is a real cute bathroom. 2 sink. You know what I mean? Fresh.
Okay. They got 2 options to choose from.
Right. Yeah, you got this room here. It's a nice little room, closet space. Nice little robes.
Okay.
It's cute though.
This house is nice.
Yeah, body.
They probably gonna take this one.
Yeah. Got this one, a nice little mirror, a closet space. Nice little bed for the 2 midgets. Nice though, right?
Mm-hmm.
That's why I bought it. Oh, a nice little vibe in, you know what I'm saying? I haven't met nobody that beat me in pool yet, so you know. Got a nice little glass table here, nice little dinner, you know. Nice little vibe. You know. This area. It's the kitchen area. Nice little glasses of wine right here. You know, get your drink on. Got some coffee over there. In case you had a long night.
This place is nice.
I got you the computer in case you know you got some work you gotta
Is
do.
that a pizza grill? Or is this a like?
No, it's just like a fire pit. Yeah. Mm-hmm.
You don't know, cause if it's pizza girl, I might get some pizza.
I mean, it's like you can
Do like a brick oven joint.
Yeah.
But when I signed the lease, they said I didn't. I don't know. When I signed the lease for this place, they didn't say that, so I don't know. But yo, let me check out. I'm gonna show y'all the back. Look at this joint right here. Squash the table, it's pretty, but look at that though. At that right there. Now this is the grown man station right here.
Mm-hmm.
This is where you get down with the get down right here. Look at that. Beautiful.
That's nice.
Beautiful. That's why I bought it. I know. We got the little pool, you know what I'm saying? It's just a beautiful vibe out
That's a
here.
cute little cactus. That thing is huge.
Beautiful. I even bought a cactus and got it planted out there because, you know what I mean? I just want to get, you know, they got games out here.
This is another fire pit right here.
Yep. You know what I'm saying?
This is nice. I'm ready to get in.
That's it. You good to go. You good to go. You know what I'm saying? You know? Now we gonna enjoy this weekend like we supposed to. Happy 30th to me.
Hey, I'm coming to get you.
Hop this way.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Birthday boy. Birthday boy. Motor mouth.
Yes, ma'am.
But you, I said birthday boy how many times? And he ain't say nothing.
And then motor mouth, I respond.
y'all can eat that candy. Why don't y'all go? Y'all can hide it around the house. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.
So we are going to some vortex slash
Blue moon
slash drumming ceremony. Yeah, I don't know what happened. It just so happened we came here and this is what's going on. So we're gonna see how it's gonna play out. Okay guys, so things didn't go as planned. I had like a list of monuments that I really wanted to try out throughout the day. I will put all of those in the description box below, but we were supposed to do an evening stargazing tour and Sedona was an hour away from Phoenix. So on the agenda for the day, I had about 3 or 4 monuments and then we were supposed to do the stargazing tour, and all the monuments are right next to each other. I would say about 10 to 15 minute drive. So once we booked the stargazing evening tour, I said, okay, let's just try to get there around like, 2 or 3 o'clock so we can do all the monuments in like about 2 to 3 hours and then do the stargazing tour, which would be around 7. So we left around, I want to say we left the house around 2, got there around 3, and I started to realize that it was getting dark. For some reason in Arizona, after daylight savings, it gets dark at like 5 o'clock, y'all. So if you ever plan to go to Arizona in the fall, make sure you guys do your activities during the day. But the stargazing tour is a night thing because it's like astrologists, and so apparently you can see the stars and all of that good stuff. And Sedona doesn't have any street lights, so that's why it's in the evening. Unfortunately, we were only able to do 2 because the parks had closed at 5:30. I was so upset. If I would have known ahead of time, so I did check the websites. They did not say that they closed early. I was highly upset because I really wanted to do some hiking and just sightseeing and, just being outside from being inside all of these months from COVID. Came to Cathedral Rock and we were trying to find parking. It was packed, you guys. It was Halloween day and it was packed, and I'm like, what's going on? So people were saying there's supposed to be like some drumming ceremony, some vortex, I don't know. So I'm like, okay, it's different, let's see. So we went up there and I ain't gonna lie, we was the only black people there. I was nervous. They was like dressed up in some like creepy costumes and they were praising something. I don't know what it was. I didn't hear Jesus or God, so I don't know who they were giving praise to, but we ended up eating our sandwiches and we got the heck up out of there, y'all. I did not come to Arizona to be on the news for some massacre or somebody's sacrifice for a ritual. Okay.
A little bit more. Let's keep going. Psych now. A little bit more.
Yo, I can see the damn mosquito on me.
Yeah, you won't have to just take the L. That's it. They going to have we all gonna get it.
Pants on, his jacket on.
Wings, knees.
We had an amazing trip. We got there Thursday, checked out Sunday. Thursday and Friday, we honestly just chilled at the house and got to enjoy the beautiful scenery. I don't believe in paying a bunch of money for a house for you to not be there. So I was like, we're going to enjoy this house. And then we did our activity on Saturday and then we left Sunday. And it was a really good experience. We had good vibes, good people, drinks, food. It was a really nice, relaxing time. So thanks for watching and I will see you guys next time.